Real-world applications of optimized prompt generation. In today's presentation, we will explore the real-world applications of optimized prompt generation. Prompt engineering has become a crucial aspect of modern artificial intelligence, enabling us to harness the power of language models for a wide range of tasks. By understanding the principles of optimized prompt generation, we can unlock new possibilities in areas such as content creation, task automation, and personalized assistance. Prompt engineering involves the careful crafting of input prompts that guide language models to generate desired outputs. Optimized prompt generation refers to the process of refining and tuning these prompts to achieve the most effective and relevant results. This is particularly important in scenarios where language models are used for specific applications, as the prompts can significantly impact the quality, accuracy, and relevance of the generated content. One of the key real-world applications of optimized prompt generation is content creation. By leveraging language models, we can automate the generation of various types of content, such as articles, stories, product descriptions, and even code snippets. Through careful prompt engineering, we can ensure that the generated content aligns with the desired tone, style, and subject matter, making it a valuable tool for content creators, marketers, and developers. Another application of optimized prompt generation is task automation. Language models can be used to assist with a wide range of tasks, from scheduling appointments and generating meeting notes to providing personalized recommendations and answering customer inquiries. By crafting prompts that capture the specific requirements of these tasks, we can streamline workflows, improve efficiency, and enhance the user experience. Prompt engineering can also be leveraged for personalized assistance. By incorporating user preferences, context, and historical data into the prompts, language models can generate tailored responses, recommendations, and solutions that cater to individual needs. This can be particularly useful in areas such as customer service, personal assistance, and educational applications, where personalization is key to providing a more engaging and effective experience. To illustrate the power of optimized prompt generation, let's consider a code snippet example. Imagine you're a developer working on a project that requires the generation of boilerplate code for a specific feature. By crafting a prompt that captures the desired functionality, programming language, and coding conventions, you can leverage a language model to generate the necessary code snippets, saving time and ensuring consistency across your code base. In conclusion, optimized prompt generation is a versatile and powerful technique that is transforming the way we interact with language models and leverage their capabilities. By understanding the principles of prompt engineering and applying them to real-world applications, we can unlock new possibilities in content creation, task automation, and personalized assistance. As language models continue to evolve, the importance of optimized prompt generation will only grow, making it a crucial skill for professionals across various industries. To summarize the key points covered in this presentation: 1. Prompt engineering is the art of crafting input prompts that guide language models to generate desired outputs. 2. Optimized prompt generation involves refining and tuning these prompts to achieve the most effective and relevant results. 3. Real-world applications of optimized prompt generation include content creation, task automation, and personalized assistance. 4. Prompt engineering can be used to generate code snippets, automate workflows, and provide tailored solutions to individual needs. 5. As language models continue to evolve, the importance of optimized prompt generation will only grow, making it a valuable skill for professionals across various industries.